So children, we are starting with question number 9 today. I am going to read the question for you all. Exercise 10.3, question number 9. 5, we did it. 5 square flower beds, each of size 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So this is a land which is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Width I have kept little. Where 5 square flower beds. Okay, how many? 5. Yeah. Each of sides 1 meter. Each side is 1. Okay, all the 4 sides are 1. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So we have to find the remaining part of the land, means this part. Okay, so what to do? Very simple. Find out the area of this flower bed. Okay, now it's a square, so we'll find out the area by using the area of a square. And how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply by 5. Okay, we find out the area of 1 flower bed. Then we find out the area of 5 flower beds. And then we subtract it from the total area. That is the rectangular plots area. Rectangular, no? Nothing is written. Just land is written. Okay. So that's how we are going to do. Once again, we will find the area of the first flower bed, multiply it by 5, it will become the area of 5 flower beds. Okay. After that, we multiply the area of the land, and then we have to find the remaining part where the flower beds are not dug. That area. For that, we remove these. We minus the 5 flower beds from the total area. So whatever is given, we are going to write that. What is given? Each side of the flower bed. Let's write that. One meter. Area of it. Side into side, since it's a square, 1 meter into 1 meter, which gives us 1 meter square. Okay. Now we have to find the area of 5 flower beds, which is equal to 5 into area of 1 flower bed, which is equal to 5 into 1 meter square, which is equal to 5 meter square. Now we find the area of the land. For that, we need to write the length of the land and the breadth of the land. अरे ये तो बहुत ही गंदा वाला पेन है. Is it ornament? Okay. So length of the land, how much? 5 meter. Breadth of the land, four meter. Pakka 4 meter? First let me check. Yes. Area of the land. That is length into breadth. Okay, full spelling you will write. Length into breadth, that is 5 meter into 4 meter, which is equal to 20 meter square. Now from this area, we will remove the area of the beds, that is 5 flower beds. We will come to know the area of the remaining part of land. So we will write area of part of land is equal to area of land minus area of 5 flower beds, which is equal to 20 meter square minus 5 meter square, which is equal to 15 meter square. So this completes question number 9. Now we will start question number 10. Children, question number 10 we will do in the book only, because it is asked to find out the areas by splitting these figures into rectangles. So let's start. So question number 10 will be done in book. My board is turning black. Ish. Such a lot of energy is being taken to erase. So I'll make the first figure. You just wait. Now this is 3 and this is 1. So now we are going to split the this figure into different types of rectangles. Now you see how we do it. This is A. This is B. This is C and this is D. Okay? So now we start with A. This is A. Go away. This is A. That is length into breadth. This is the length. Sorry, this is the length. This is the breadth. Length into breadth. That is 4 into 2, which is equal to 4 2s are 8. I think it's in centimeters. It is given. Then this is B. Okay, my diagram is not exact, children. But I will try. Now this is 3. Length and breadth is 2 given. This is 2. Okay, this side. So length into breadth. 3 2s are 6. Let's go to C. C, nothing is known. But I'll tell you. This will be equal to this. If you will see the figure, see, this is 4. This is 2. This is 1. So this will be 1. Total of 4. Correct? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So this is 1. Similarly, this is 4 and this is 2. Correct? That means if this much is 2, this much is again 2, because 2 plus 2 is 4, which is given. So this is 2. So 2 1s are 2. Then we go to D. D, this is 3 and this is nothing. I'll check the book if it is given in that. 1 minute, children. It's given, 4. So this is 3 and this is 4, that is length into breadth. So 4 threes are 12. Now we add, we find the total. There only you can do like this by dividing your figures into A, B, C, D. So 10, 18 and 28. So 28 centimeter square, is it given? Centimeter square. So this completes A. Then we start B. Let me make the figure. This is 5. This is 3. This is 1. This is nothing written. So this is 3, so this is also 3. This is 2 written, so this is also 2. Okay, so let's divide the figure into 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts. How? Either you can do this and this. Okay, now children, this is 5. We need to do this. Now when you come here, you see this 3 and see this as 2. So this much is 2. So this much will be 3 minus 2. That is 1. So this is A, this is B and this is C. So A is 5, length into breadth. 5 ones are 5. B is again length into breadth. What is the length? 2 and breadth 1. This 3 is not this much. This 3 is for entire. Okay. So we take the distance, it is already mentioned. So no need to worry because this side is mentioned. And these two sides, it can be seen that they are equal. So if this is 2, this is also 2. So 2 into 1, 2. And C, again, this is also 1. 2 into 1. So this gives us 9 centimeter square. And this completes question number 10. Then we go to 11th question. Question number 11. Again children, we are going to do it in book. Split the following rectangles and find their areas. Very simple. The first one I am doing it. This is A. My figure is irregular children, please. I am not using a ruler, so I am very sorry about it. But you don't have to draw because you are doing it in the book, so no worries. We divide it from here. This is A, this is B. The length of A is given 10 from here till here. 10 and breadth is 2. So length into breadth 20. Go to B. Length is given from here till here. It is 8 I mean to say. And this portion is 2 already written. So 8 twos are 16. So it is 36 centimeter. Yes. Centimeter square. I hope I am correct. I written 10? This is 12. Sorry. This is 12. Okay. 12 twos are 24. I knew I am making a mistake. 40 centimeters square. Okay. Then going to B. I'll just finish off the diagram. Now you can see all sides. It's written 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, it's already written. Now you divide your figure like this. So you get squares. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares. Correct? 5 squares. Whose each side is 7. Okay. So you find the square, the area of one square and multiply it by 5, just like flower beds. There were 5 flower beds. So we found the area for one flower bed and multiplied it by 5. Okay, so similarly here we find the area for one square and multiply it by 5. Okay, so one square, that is side into side. So 7 into 7, that is 49. Okay, centimeter square. So area of 5 squares. In total we have 5 squares here. So 5 into 49. 5 nines are 45. 5 fours are 20. Plus 4 to 45 centimeter square. Okay. So this completes the B part. We are doing it in book only. Now we start with the C part. C part. This is 5. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is 4. This is 4 and this is 1. Now we divide it from here. So this is A and this is B. Now you see, for A the length is 5, the breadth is 1. For B, you see, the length is 4, breadth is 1. Total 9 centimeter square. The same way, children, we can do this also. If you are having problem and confusion here, why this way? Why can't this? This is possible here also. Only the thing is you will have to write it A, B, C, D, E. E times. That means 5 times you will write the same thing. 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. Okay? And then you are going to add. So it is one and the same thing. Either you find out for one square and multiply it by 5, or you find the areas separately for all the 5 squares and then add them. Okay? Depends on you. Both the methods are correct. You will get full marks for both the methods. Now, this is C. Now we will start with D. There is no D, there is question number 12. The last question of this exercise. Let's finish it. A. How many tiles whose length and breadth. So there is a tile whose length and breadth is given. Let me write the length and the breadth, children. That is 12 and 5. Will be needed to fit in a rectangular region. Will be needed to fit in a rectangular region. This is a rectangular region whose length and breadth is given. There are two rectangular regions. One is this one and one more is there. Okay. So we need to know the number of tiles. Very simple. Take this tile, keep it over here. Then another tile and we fill it. Correct? Now we need to count. Okay. So how to count? By removing. Keep removing, keep removing. That means we are subtracting again and again. That is repeated subtraction, yes or no? Like suppose if you take a paper and write this, there's a dimension, okay, that this paper is of this dimension, and you take another small piece of paper, okay, and you write the dimensions like this, and you start sticking those papers, okay. You will have to make various many papers of this dimension, okay, and you place, okay. Then either you count like this or you just cut and find out, okay. So if you are cutting and finding out means you are removing the area, putting this in this area. In this entire area you have put in this area, that means this area goes. Then you put another one, that means that area goes. Then you put another one, that area goes. That means going means removing only, which I was talking about. So minus is repeated subtraction. That means we will divide. We will divide this area, that is the area of the rectangular place or floor or land, whatever, by the area of the tile. Okay. So let's start. So what is given, that we'll write. What is given? Let it be no A. Okay, first let's write about the tile, because tile is common for both. Length of the tile, breadth of the tile, 12 centimeters. Yeah. And 5 centimeters. Now, going to A. That is rectangular region. So length of the region. We didn't write the area of the tile. Area of the tile is equal to length into breadth, which is 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Let's not multiply, let's keep it. Okay. Now let's go to A. Length of the region. How much? centimeter. Breadth of the region. centimeter. Area of the region. Length into breadth, which is equal to 100 centimeter into 144 can be written for before also, okay, first also. Now we need to find the number of tiles. For that we will divide the two areas. Number of tiles, that is area of region upon area of tiles, which is equal to 100 upon 100 into 144 centimeter upon 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Centimeter gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 20s are 12 ones are 12 12s are. Okay. Now 12 zeros are 0 and 12 twos are 24. So 240 tiles. Okay? This completes A. Then we start with B. Length of again region, new region is it, na? It is. Length of the region, breadth of the region, area of the region. So length of the region 70, 36, 7 length into breadth, that is 70 centimeter into 36 centimeter. Let's not multiply. Again, we have to find the number of tiles. So, number of tiles is equal to area of region upon area of tiles, which is equal to 70 into 36 centimeter upon 12 centimeter into 5 centimeters. So 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 5 ones are. This is 70 only, no? 5 ones are 5, 4s are. Centimeter got cancelled. So it is 14 into 3, that is 3 4s are 12, 3 ones are 3, 4. 42 tiles. Ouch. So this completes your exercise 10.3 as well as your chapter 2. Okay. There is a challenge. You will do that challenge on your own. That is your homework.